session today. Okay, this is Iman. She's Rapunzel.
Iman, say hi.
This is hello. And this is Belle. And look at this. This is a little bunny. And she's sneezing.
Elsa part 2.
Okay, fine. This is Elsa part 2. Show me your dress.
Elsa from part 2.
Okay. Wow. Very pretty. And this is... And what is this character? Alicia, what are you today? Okay. She is a cotton candy. Come show me your costume. Yes. Wow. Very pretty. And this is what?
I am
Unicorn.
fairy.
Fairy. Okay, fine. She's a unicorn fairy. And what is this little sweetheart?
Tweety.
Okay, she is Tweety. She's Tweety today. Honey, you're looking very pretty. Look at me, everyone. Look at me. Oh, it's a video. Guys, so this is little bunny and this is Frozen part 2 and she is
Beautiful fairy.
unicorn fairy and this is a little Tweety Cobra and this is Hania who is chewing her purse.
Iman, who are
And
you?
this is Iman and she is Rapunzel. Thank you. Say bye bye everyone.
Happy Halloween. Say bye bye.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Okay, and say do like our video and do subscribe the channel.
You like our channel?
And
Subscribe.
Do subscribe and like our channel.
yes, and like the video.
Like the video.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.